way, has deterred the government of the day. Sudhanshu Mittal representing the BJP live with us, Adil Singh Bopra of the Congress, Manav Jaiswal from the Trinamool Congress live too, Naval Kishore of the RJD, Narayan Lakshman from the Hindu live with us too. Let me just begin with you, Sudhanshu ji, first up, and let me understand this from you. You know, we have an interview today that we have done with the Israeli journalist who was bang in the middle of this entire episode taking place in Israel itself. And Omar, who's the Israeli journalist, has put this out in public domain that the same set of conclusions which have been arrived at by Amnesty are the set of conclusions which have also been arrived at by independent, globally acclaimed researchers in Canada. Is there any change in the position of government in India when it comes to a probe on Pegasus?
I think, Bhupinder, we are not putting things in the perspective. A journalist in Israel saying that a independent organization in Canada has the same conclusion. What rubbish are we talking about? To give credibility to such statements, to me, Let
me just bring in Manav Jaiswal for a moment. Manav, Sudhanshu ji's argument is on two planes. One, there is no merit to any of the allegations. There is mere suspicion. There is no fact. Who is the person who's coming forward and saying his phone or her phone is being tapped? Well, there are a lot of people who are coming and saying that they suspect their phones may have been tapped. Sudhanshu ji is on that technical point. Even if I was to take that technical point forward, I'm just wondering, is the best way forward to resolve this logjam not to go in for a no-holds-barred debate where every party gets a chance to express itself? Does the opposition want that debate, or is the opposition view that the government is not allowing the opposition to get that debate?
Well, first of all, namaskar to everyone and good evening to you.
Yeah.
Well, I don't really understand what the government wants. In fact, the whole world is not able to understand what the BJP-led government wants. The only thing that people are understanding is they are giving us a deep crisis. They have actually compromised the security of the country by involving Pegasus. If Pegasus is not involved, at least they don't have the courage to come on the forefront and tell, yes, Pegasus is there, and we are investigating these people. Okay, this is not to be used because Pegasus itself, the Israel government has stated that Pegasus cannot be used for anybody to hack someone individual's phone unless and until that person is a threat or a terrorist threat. The territorial differences is there. Simultaneously, the ex-IT minister of the BJP government, his own government, he said that there are 48 countries which are using Pegasus. Fine, every country has got the right to secure it, keep it more strong. Unfortunately, he does not come and tell me that whether we are, as Indian government, we are using it or not. Thirdly, the new IT minister said that whatever Pegasus is, it has been authorized and there is a proper authority. It has gone through the proper authoritarian channel. Fair enough, very good. So at least you are accepting that you are using Pegasus, and why are you using?
Right.
Whom you are using with? You are using to hack. Now what is the weapon for a mobile phone? Hacking, not tapping. Hacking. Hacking is termed as a weapon. Tapping is termed as a contradictory service issues and all. But now the idea is, what do you mean by hacking?
But Manav, we are all talking, we're all, trying to get into the technical details of this debate, where I'm saying that these points need to be settled on the floor of the House in Parliament.
Of course.
Now, either you say that the government is not allowing you to go in for a debate, or you admit what Sudhanshu Mittal is trying to argue, that the opposition actually doesn't want this debate to happen because there is no proof in his worldview.
I'll give you a situation. It's a very simple thing. We wanted to have a data on the oxygen there. Basically, people who died of the oil, but the government does not have the data. When the government has spoken about the laborers, they didn't have the data. Now the government does not even think that whether they have got the data for the Pegasus or not, because they do have it, but they will not share. Now the idea is this government is not only a one with having data failures, they are also data hackers. So they are data chore in a small town. First of all, we want to know on the floor of the House. We have been telling again and again, you first accepted that you have used Pegasus.
What is the official position, Mr. Mittal? What's the official position of the NDA government? Does the BJP want a debate? Does the BJP not want a debate, sir? It's a straight question.
Yeah, BJP is wanting a debate, but in this debate itself, look at the contradiction. My friend just now said the IT minister has accepted that India has been using Pegasus.
MP, what did he say? Because there is a completely new narrative also which the BJP is trying to spin. Just look at Mr. Babul Supriyo.
को ये मालूम होगा कि बहुत सालों से इनफैक्ट कोई इजरायली सॉफ्टवेयर है जिससे फ़ोन टैप किया जा सकता है, व्हाट्सएप की कॉल्स सुनाई दे सकती है। ये बात जो है आज से 3 साल पहले से कलकत्ता सर्कल्स में इतना घूम रहा था और दीदी का एक बहुत ट्रस्टेड आईपीएस ऑफिसर इजराइल जाके 38 लाख में वो सामान लेके आए थे। ऐसी बातें चल रही थी और इसीलिए हम लोग सब ने उस वक्त टेलीग्राम या सिग्नल ऐप को हमने डाउनलोड किया था और व्हाट्सएप में बात करना मिनिस्टर्स अपना जर्नलिस्ट जो है वो भी बंद कर दिए। जो इलेक्शन के बाद जीत हार तो लगा रहता है, बट हम तो कोई किसी में से हम तो कोर्ट नहीं गए, हमने फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर को या इलेक्शन कमीशन को चैलेंज नहीं किया, हम कोर्ट नहीं किया। दीदी कोर्ट में लड़ रही है, हमने कुछ नहीं किया। वी हैव नॉट बीन बैड लूजर्स। तो जीत तो हुई है उनकी, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप जो है आप खेला हॉबे के तौर पे उन्होंने कलकत्ता में जो किया, जिस तरीके के पॉलिटिकल किलिंग्स और टॉर्चर जो आज तक चल रहा है, उसके उसी खेला हॉबे वर्ड को एक वॉर क्राई की तरह यूज़ करके आक्रमण करने का एक जरिया समझ के उसे यूज़ किया है। तो देश में खेला हो तो डेफिनेटली नहीं हो।
Manav, look at this, Manav. There you are questioning the BJP. The BJP is saying that, well, it's your party which was also a beneficiary of this software.
I'm really thankful. I mean, this gentleman, Mr. Babul Supriyo, is an MP. I mean, it's such a beautiful narrative that he has given. It is very, very nice. I mean, I would request the central government, the Home Ministry, to please investigate. Something like this is existing. It's a security threat. Now you're talking about a 56 inches ka chhati, and now you don't even know what is happening under your nose. If a government like that, if a small state like Bengal, and a government of West Bengal has bought something, sending one of the IPS officers to Israel, and they bought it for 38 lakh, and this government is not aware.
Okay.
So this government is a failure.
You know,
He's accepting it.
Narayan
It's a
Lakshman,
failure.
let me bring in